I think it was Sue who said that her sister or somebody wanted the hats for the neonatal, and would we be prepared to knit them? So I said, oh, I'll put them in my newsletter, and asked for the wool. So I said, oh, can we have odd balls of wool and knitting needles? I said, even better, could you knit them up for us?
Oh dear. In you go. Funny thing.
Is it Hillary who's got a contact there? And she came and we all said, what, bird's nest? Never heard of that. And they said, well, just make the baby hats bigger. And you can use thicker wool, you can use dark, horrible wool, any wool that you find and you don't know what to do, just knit it in, you know, and yeah, it was intriguing.